On the video.
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
Fulfill Mystery Google's mission.
Which is?
Run down the street singing a Fall Out Boy song.
Which Fall Out Boy song should we sing, Kelsey?
Thanks for the memory.
Thanks for the mememories. How does it start?
Shit.
Good job, Kelsey.
I don't remember.
I don't have my contacts in.
How does it go again?
Let's think. It's all like, oh crap. Let's just start at the chorus. Ready? Thanks for the memories, even though we weren't so great. It tastes like you've been sweeter. One night, one more time. Thanks for the memories, thanks for the... It tastes like you've been sweeter. Oh, it's gonna break. Say a prayer, but let the good times roll. In case God doesn't show. I want these words to make things right, but it's the wrongs that make the words come to life. Who does he think he is? What you got to put your finger back to one night. One time. Thanks for the... No, I work.
Alright, man.
Yeah, okay. That was our mission. Okay. Bye.